You've probably seen a million glow-up videos. And let's be real, most of them tell you to buy expensive products or do routines that no one actually has time for. But that's not what we're doing here. This glow-up is all about simple, realistic steps that actually work. No fancy products, no stress, just easy things that'll make you look and feel pretty from the inside out. So in this video, I'm going to give you real steps for a glow-up that are simple, budget-friendly, and doable. No overcomplicated routines, no pressure, just things you can start today that will make you feel totally in your glow era. Step 1. Eat healthy. The food you eat has a big effect on your skin, energy, and mood. Add more real foods to your plate. Fruits, veggies, nuts, and simple home meals can make a huge difference. For example, the combination of berries and avocados, it gives you soft and glowy skin. Instead of eating junk all the time, try small changes. Switch soda with water, chips with fruit. You'll notice you don't feel as heavy or lazy after eating. And don't worry, you don't have to cut out your favorite foods completely. Just try the 80-20 rule. 80% healthy foods, 20% treats. That way, you can still enjoy your snacks without guilt. Think about it this way. You're shaping healthy habits, not punishing yourself with a diet. And here's the thing. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. A colorful smoothie bowl, roasted veggies with your favorite spices, or even something simple like adding cucumber and lemon to your water can feel like a treat. It's about enjoying food that actually fuels you. Step 2. Take care of your gut. When it's healthy, your skin looks better. Simple foods like yogurt, rice water, or pickles help your gut stay happy. You don't need pills, just a few healthy choices each day. Also, eat slowly and chew properly. This makes your stomach's job easier and helps you feel full faster. A healthy gut means less bloating, fewer skin problems, and a natural glow. If you often feel tired, heavy, or uncomfortable after eating, that's usually your body's way of telling you it needs some balance. Try adding one gut-friendly food to your plate daily and see the difference in a few weeks. Even something as small as starting your day with warm water and a spoon of honey can help digestion faster and give you energy. Step 3. DIY masks. You don't need expensive skincare to glow. Some of the best things for your skin are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Think about it. Before all these fancy brands existed, people used natural things like honey, turmeric, or yogurt to keep their skin healthy, and it worked. The best part about DIY masks is that they're super cheap, easy to make, and you actually know what's going on your skin. No spending half your pocket money on one tiny bottle. Just simple ingredients that give real results. For example, honey makes your skin soft and gives that glass skin shine. Yogurt feels cool and calms down redness after a hot day. And the fun part? Making these masks feels like a self-care ritual. Tie your hair up and treat it like a mini spa day. You'll glow outside, but also feel relaxed inside because you're taking time for yourself. Step 4. Drink more water. Yes, water again, but it's not boring if you make it fun. Add lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries to your water. It tastes better and makes you want to drink more. Water keeps your skin fresh. Dry lips, dull skin, and feeling tired are usually signs you're not drinking enough. Think of water as the cheapest skincare you'll ever have. A little trick: keep a cute bottle near you. The more you see it, the more you'll sip without even thinking. And honestly, drinking water can even become an aesthetic. Imagine your desk with a pretty glass bottle and slices of fruit floating inside. Small things like that make the habit more enjoyable. Step 5. Move your body. You don't need the gym to stay active. Just move a little every day. Walk, stretch, dance, or try short YouTube workouts. Moving your body helps blood flow, which makes your skin glow and your mind feel fresh. If workouts feel boring, make them fun. Play your favorite show while moving around. Even 10 to 15 minutes of movement daily makes a big difference. Exercise isn't about chasing perfection. It's about taking care of the body God blessed you with. Even small efforts like walking more or stretching can help. Step 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is where real glow-ups happen. When you sleep, your skin heals, your brain rests, and your energy comes back. If you keep skipping sleep, it will show on your face. Try to sleep early, put your phone away. Even 1 extra hour of sleep can make you look and feel so much better. Think of sleep as recharging your glow-up battery. No battery, no glow. And remember, quality is more important than quantity. Peaceful sleep does more for you than just lying in bed scrolling all night. Step 7. Clean your space. Your room affects your mood. If your space is messy, you'll feel stressed. Start small, make your bed, clean your desk, or organize one shelf. A clean space makes you feel calmer, lighter, and more in control. Walking into a tidy room instantly makes you feel more put together. And here's the secret: when your space is clean, you're more likely to take care of yourself too. It's like a bond: clean room, clear mind. Step 8. Simple skincare. Forget the 10-step routines, you only need the basics: cleanse, moisturize, lip balm, and protect with sunscreen. These 4 are more powerful than using 10 random products, just simple habits that work for you. Stay consistent with this routine and you'll see results over time. Glowing skin comes from routine. Step 9. Practice gratitude. A glow up isn't only about looks. It's also about how you feel inside. Take 2 minutes daily to write or think of 2 to 3 things you're grateful for. This small habit makes your mind more positive and reduces stress. When you're calm inside, it shows on your face and in your energy. People feel it around you. You don't need a fancy journal. Even saying thank you in your head before sleeping can shift your mood. Over time, you'll notice yourself focusing more on what you have instead of what you lack. And that's the kind of mindset that makes you truly glow. Step 10. Build confidence. The last and most important step is confidence. Stand tall, look people in the eye, and love yourself. Real confidence doesn't come from looks, it comes from how you treat yourself every day. When you start showing up for yourself, taking care of your mind and body, and speaking kindly to yourself, that's when the real glow begins. And that's it, bestie. 10 steps to glow up inside out without draining your wallet or stressing yourself out. Just simple habits you can start today to look and feel your best. Remember, it's not about copying someone else's idea of beauty. It's about creating your own version of it. The real glow up happens when you feel proud of yourself, when you follow the right habits, and when you know you're having a perfect mindset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which step you're starting with today. Reminder to drink water now. See you in the next one. Bye.